Hello everyone, welcome to this Selenium WebDriver tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn to automate the keyboard events and actions using the actions class. So let's begin. First, we will try to understand the importance of keyboard events and actions, and then we will actually start writing the code in order to automate those actions and events. To understand the importance, let me go to this website, which is a demo website of Orange HRM Live. So let me copy this URL. Let me open the browser, and here in browser we need to provide the URL. So this is basically a login page and we need to automate this one. Now there are two approaches. The first approach is that you will identify this username and use the send keys to provide the username, and similarly you will go with the password. And furthermore, what you will do is that you will identify this login button and click on this one. But there is another approach, and which is a user perspective. So as a user, what I'll do is that I will go to this field, I will provide the username, then press a tab button from the keyboard, then I will provide the password, and then I'll press the enter button from the keyboard. So here the keyboard buttons and events are involved. Now we need to automate this perspective. So let me log this out here, and now go to the Eclipse here. Let me create a class here and let me name it as automating keyboard events. We need to select the main method check here, click on finish. Now I'll copy a couple of lines from the previous script, and let me copy this one, paste it here. First I'll change the URL, go to the notepad, let me copy this URL from here, and again go to the Eclipse here, and here in Eclipse we need to provide the URL. So after providing the URL, we need to identify the username field. So let me go here, click on this field, go to inspect and go to selectors hub, and yes, it has an ID. Copy this ID. Now driver dot find element by dot ID, and we need to provide the ID here. Okay, I'll save this into a web element here. Web element username equals to this one. Now import the web element here. Now we will use the action class in order to tab on the tab button, and we will press the enter button. So we will use this functionality using the actions class. For that, let me copy some code like this one from here and it here. Now using this one, what I'll do is that act dot, the first thing here I need to do is that I need to click on the field, because when I created the instance of action class and passing the driver to that actions class, the focus will be changed here, right? So what I need to do is that I need to click on this particular web element. But before that, we haven't provided the username here. So what I'll do is that username dot send keys, and here we need to provide the username. Okay, now here after providing this one, user send keys, and this one, okay, now after providing act dot click on this one, after clicking on this one, the focus would be again back to the username field. Now click, then after clicking, what I need to do this, I need to send keys. Now which keys I need to send? Keys dot tab. First I use that, okay, then after tabbing on this one, again I will be using the send keys, and this time now the focus has been change because we have already provided the tab button. So tab will change the focus to the password field. Now we need to provide the password, and let me copy this one from here and paste it here. And after providing the password, now again send keys dot enter, and then we need to build, then we need to, so we are good to go with the execution. And let me save this one, and now right click, go to run as, click on Java application to run this program. Now you will see that without identifying the login password field and the login button, it will log in us. Now it says that invalid credentials. So we are giving some invalid credentials somewhere, and yeah, so basically this is not admins, so this is admin, right? Let me save this one. Let's run this again. Now it will work properly. You will see that it will provide the username, then change the focus to the password field, provide the password, then press enter, and it will log us in and take us to the dashboard. You see, so this is the benefit of using the actions class, so that we can simulate from the user perspective as well. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you like our content, then do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Once again, thank you so much and see you in the next tutorial.